we are studying population interaction, students, and the another way of population interaction is parasitism. In parasitism, it's a relationship between parasite and the host. It's a relationship between parasite and the host, two species. Host is at loss, is at harm, and parasite at benefit. So plus and minus. This type of interaction is called as parasitism. Now these parasites, they are of two types: ectoparasites and endoparasites. Ecto and endoparasites. Ectoparasites attack from outside the body. Like the best example in our case, in case of human being, lice present in our head, inside the hair. The lice, okay, leech. These, they just attack from outside. They are ectoparasite. Endoparasite, they enter into our body, like Plasmodium, which cause malaria, then Ascaris, roundworm. All these are example for endoparasites. And these parasites, they have some kind of adaptations, like they don't have unnecessary sense organ. They don't require that. They don't have proper digestive system. Because they don't require digestive system, they get ready-made food from the host. Third one, they have adhesive organ like sucker and hook, so that they can cling or catch hold of the host. Similarly, they have high reproduction capacity. These are some of the characters of parasites. Now, when we speak of parasites, one is an excellent example we call brood parasitism. Brood parasitism. That is the story of cuckoo, or in Hindi we call koel, and the crow. We know that, okay, cuckoo, the bird cuckoo or the koel, never builds its own nest. They lay their eggs in the nest of crow. Why? The egg of crow and the koel looks almost similar. When the nest is built by the crow with much difficulty, with much struggle, now this koel just goes, lays their egg and come out. So this is brood parasitism. Another example. Even in case of plants, we can give example of parasite. That is, there is one plant called as cuscuta. There is one plant called as cuscuta. These plants, generally they are not green in color. They lack chlorophyll pigment. So they just encircle around a tree. Tree is their host and they are parasite. When they encircle that tree, they develop a special kind of root called as haustoria, and that root is slowly sent into that tree trunk, into the stem of the tree. It enters, and we know that in the stem of the tree at the center there is phloem and xylem, which contains food. Phloem is food conducting tissue. So these roots, day by day they grow, they enter into phloem, and from there they get ready-made food. This is parasitism in case of plant cuscuta. So like this, we can give several examples for another kind of population interaction known as parasitism.